Hello YouTube, it's Mr. Boo Productions and I'm selling my black dot for Black Cross. This is it. And this is the Black Cross itself. That's the aim, it's not electronic, you just thingy it. Put it on your gun, it's ready. Right. There's a little switch there, you just pull it up, slide it off. And you can use it like that for any gun. It can fit any gun, any size. And it's priced at whatever price you would like to buy it. Just send me a message in the comments. And if anyone is buying a airsoft gun, a sniper or electric for £30 or under, messages. And this has been Mr. Productions. Bye.